In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create SKU numbers for Shopify. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It is a short code you assign to a product or a specific variant, like a size or color. The SKU helps you track inventory, fulfill orders accurately, and keep your product catalog organized. Shopify does not force one universal format, so the key is to enter a code that is consistent for your store and easy to recognize later. To add a SKU, start in your Shopify admin and go to Products. From your product list, click the product you want to work on. This will open the product details page where you can edit information like pricing, inventory, and shipping.
Next.
Scroll down until you see the inventory section. If the product is a single item with no options, you will typically enter the SKU right there in the inventory area. If your product has options and multiple versions, like different sizes or colors, you will work in the variants section instead. Take a moment to confirm whether you are dealing with one item or multiple variants, because the SKU should match the exact item you sell. If you are using variants, find the variant you want to update and click Edit for that variant. This opens the variant settings, where you can control the details for that specific version of the product. Now locate the field labeled SKU, which is the Stock Keeping Unit field. Click into that box and type your SKU code. Use a format that stays consistent across your store. For example, you might include a short product identifier and a short variant identifier. Keep it readable, avoid extra spaces, and be careful with similar-looking characters so you do not confuse the letter O with the number 0. When you are finished, click Save. That locks in your change and ensures Shopify uses that SKU for inventory tracking and order line items going forward. Repeat the same process for any other products or variants that need SKU numbers. That covers everything you need to know.